A Biden administration regulation aimed at reining in so-called ghost guns is back in effect. These are firearms without serial numbers, often sold in a kit to assemble. Well, the Supreme Court ruled 5-4 yesterday to allow regulations to remain in effect during the ongoing legal process after a lower court decided to vacate the rules. The Biden administration commended the court's decision, saying it will keep, quote, important efforts to curb gun violence in place. Joining us now to talk about this is Jessica Levinson. As you should all know by now, she's a CBS News legal contributor and professor at Loyola Law School. And Jessica, what's jumping out to most of us in this decision, I'm wondering if it's true for you as well, is that conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett actually sided with the liberal justices to revive this Biden administration regulation. What do you make of that?
A couple of possibilities here. As you noted, it's interesting, but it is also just a preliminary step in this case. This case will go back to the Fifth Circuit. That's the Court of Appeals hearing this case, and they will determine whether or not to uphold the trial court judge's decision saying, you know what, the ATF did not have the power to make this regulation, to say that ghost gun kits are included in the definition of firearms from this 1968 law. So what do we make of Justice Barrett's decision? I think a couple things. Number one possibility could be that because this is a case, as I said, dealing with statutory interpretation, not our interpretation of the Second Amendment, maybe she just thinks that the statute allows for ghost guns to be regulated, and this isn't a broader ruling or thinking about her Second Amendment rights. The other is that she does not like nationwide injunctions. And what we have here from the trial court was a decision to say nowhere in the country can we implement this regulation. So it could also be that this doesn't have anything to do with her view on gun rights. And this has everything to do with her view that we shouldn't be imposing nationwide injunctions like this.
So for those who see this decision as perhaps somewhat foreshadowing a shift in the Supreme Court as it relates to gun-related cases in the future, you would say,
be careful, take a breath. This is, again, it's not a case dealing with our interpretation of the Second Amendment. It's a case dealing with our interpretation of a federal statute and whether or not the definition of firearms includes ghost guns or not. I know this sounds really detailed, but the difference between we're interpreting a statute and we're interpreting a constitutional amendment, the Second Amendment, is really big. And again, the other thing is, this is just a preliminary step in this case. I think it is entirely likely that this could come back up to the court after the Fifth Circuit has made a ruling.
All right, you heard it here first, folks. Jessica says, take a breath. Jessica Levinson, always great to see you. Thanks very much.
Thank you.